getting back to the family thing, the family is whenever, getting back to the basics that I've been talking about all this hour, 2 or more people, when they interact with each other, you should be forming a counter-racist family, and that means you're not an organization as such, but you are talking about solving problems in a constructive manner. That's because we've been trained that way. We've been trained to go by illusions, to worship illusions. And the white supremacists did the training. We have to always remember who are the people who are the greatest teachers. What people tell us what is valuable. You know, I remember when I was going to elementary school, a boy came to school with wearing a watch. Everybody crowded around him because he had a watch. Now, he didn't make watches. He didn't know who made the watch, but he knew he didn't make it. But he acquired a watch. Somebody gave him a watch. So a watch is a timepiece. It wasn't that we were all desperate to know what time it was. We could ask somebody that. And plus, there were clocks on the wall, even then. But everybody followed him around because he had a watch. See, black people have been trained to think like little children, because when you get people in a childlike state, you can always control them because they do not grow if you keep them in that state.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a value system that is childlike. We chase little trinkets, little pieces of red cloth. The white supremacists have always taken advantage of primitive people because that's who we are.